Wow, it seems Terra Classic is about to gain about 5 listening. Wow, 5 listening. But remember that Luna has been doing well, and this is why the coin is still ranked among the top 100. And secondly, calculate since last year, as of May last year till today, we have registered hundreds of exchanges. Okay, now Terra Classic, most of these newly exchanged are all doing well, but they are yet to list Luna. Some of them are yet to list Terra Classic. And right now, according to Twitter, for Terra Classic page and also fans page, they are saying that Luna is about to gain 5 listening from top exchange. And I definitely know that. I know we all know we have the top exchanges have already listed Terra Classic, definitely, and I believe these exchanges definitely will be coming from the newly exchange that are yet to list Terra Classic, some of the newly exchange. But if we can gain 5 listening at a time, if Terra Classic can gain 5 listening at a time, I think this is good for Terra Classic. Getting 5 listening is it's going to help to revive the coin more faster, because we are going to meet new Terra Classic community. Okay, that I believe it also affects positively the market cap of Terra Classic. 5 listing at a time. Well, I believe this is going to be good for Terra Classic LLC. But not as usual. We have been hearing about Luna listing. At the end of the day, it not be listed. Just like Coinbase, just like Robinhood, there's so many listings that Terra Classic have tried to actually land it in the past, but it wasn't possible. So for Coinbase, I already know I knew right from time it would be difficult for Terra Classic to be listed back again on Coinbase. But getting listed on some exchange, maybe some exchange we don't even know. Because if you go through most exchanges, you might be seeing some exchanges that you don't even know. Some of these exchanges are all doing well. Take a look at Shiba Doge. You see about BKS is really pumping Shiba Doge. I've been trying. You see Indo ES. If you see Bitmart, there's some exchange that have been pushing most coins. Take a look at Tectonic Token. Okay, Tectonic Token. Crypto.com have been pushing Tectonic Token, of course. And that exchange again that is pushing BVS Finance Exchange. They are not well popularly known, but you can see that one of the top holders of Tectonic Token. So exchange must not be popular like Binance, like Coinbase, like Crypto.com, like Get.io. There are some exchanges that can help push a coin to really stand, to really rise, to get a lot of market cap without we even knowing some of these exchanges. So this is why whenever an exchange shows interest on Terra Classic, and when they list Terra Classic, it's always good. It's a good news, because they will definitely create an impact. Okay, so please, let's hope for the best, and I hope for more exchanges listening to come. Want to see before the end of the year for us to get listed, for Terra Classic to get listed more on more exchange before the end of this year. Please subscribe to our channel, turn on notification in order not to miss our next video. Once again, thank you for stopping by.